issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Frederick County in north central Maryland, northwestern Montgomery County in central Maryland, western Howard County in central Maryland, eastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Lansdowne and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Boyce, Germantown, Damascus. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the northern Chesapeake Bay and adjoining estuaries north of North Beach. This afternoon, southeast winds 15 knots with gusts to 25 knots.